In this video, we will be looking at a complaint filed in March of 2023 by the Stein law firm, and the lawyer signing the complaint is Mark Rozenberg. And so let's go through some of the accessibility issues that are being claimed. The first is the website lacks alternative text. It says many features on the website lacks alternative text. And then the next, it says many features on the website also fail to add a label element or title attribute for each field. So that probably means missing form field labels. And then the next issue says many pages on the website also contain the same title elements. And so that's talking about the titles for each page on the website. It's saying that many pages have the same title. And then it says the website also contains a host of broken links, which is a hyperlink to a non-existent or empty web page. And those are the accessibility issues that are claimed in this complaint. And so this was a fairly quick one, but these are the issues that are being claimed in litigation. So Stein is one of the most active plaintiffs law firms. They are right up there with Mars Kamoff and a few other law firms. But it's important to know what the accessibility issues are that plaintiffs law firms are looking for, because as you remediate your website to eliminate these accessibility issues, you also significantly reduce your risk of litigation. So if you don't have any of these issues on your website, again, your risk is going to go down. And what's important to know is many of the issues being claimed are claimed over and over again. So plaintiffs' lawyers typically look for the same accessibility issues and then name those in complaints as accessibility issues that create a barrier to access. So knowing what those accessibility issues are can help you in focusing your efforts and prioritizing what accessibility issues to take care of first so that you can prevent litigation. And that's what this comes down to. And the reason why I'm recording this mini-series is to make this as real as I can, because while the web content accessibility guidelines are helpful, they are broad, and it doesn't focus in on the accessibility issues that are claimed in litigation, which we want to prevent litigation. And so to do so, we need to eliminate and remediate those issues that are most commonly claimed in litigation. And that's what my course, the ADA compliance course, does, is it tells your team how to find, so audit, and how to fix the accessibility issues that are most commonly claimed in litigation. And so what I did was I looked at all of the most active plaintiffs law firms and looked at what they were claiming in litigation over and over again. And all of those issues are included in my course as lessons. So today we looked at Stein in my previous video. I looked at Mars Kamoff, and I will have more information on the law firms below, but I'll also have a link to that previous video. And then I will continue doing other videos on these most active plaintiffs law firms so that anybody that is trying to prevent litigation can significantly reduce their risk by remediating these issues that are most commonly claimed.